I would like to introduce our company, IKEUCHI. IKEUCHI is a global manufacturer of industrial spray nozzles and mist systems. IKEUCHI was founded in 1954 as a trading company in Osaka. At first, we handled textile machinery. Our founder, Hiroshi IKEUCHI, noticed the potential of ceramic nozzles used in spinning. At that time, agricultural nozzles were easily worn out by powder pesticides. So he tried using ceramic nozzles to agricultural spraying. However, ceramic materials shrink during firing. This made precision control very difficult. Spray nozzles require even higher precision than spinning nozzles. So we improved the entire production process, from materials to firing. In 1961, we built a factory in Hiroshima and began mass production of ceramic spray nozzles, the first in the world. Using the high precision of ceramic tips, we started offering precision guarantees: flow rate, spray angle, centerline accuracy. Our durable and reliable nozzles were highly valued by agricultural users in Japan. Soon, ceramic nozzles expanded into many industries. With ceramic technology, we also added precision engineering to meet the needs of many industries. In the environmental field, our nozzles are used for air pollution control. In steel mills, they are used for cooling in the casting process. In semiconductor manufacturing, they are used for wafer cleaning. These technologies support many industries in Japan. The next breakthrough was the development of air-atomized nozzles. These nozzles were used to cool hot gases in waste treatment plants and steel mills. We developed a technology that collides two atomized spray streams to create even finer droplets. As a result, we developed the dry fog air-atomized nozzle. With this nozzle, we started our industrial humidification business. Dry fog made it possible to achieve uniform humidification without wetting surfaces. This technology is used in printing factories and SMT and electronics manufacturing. For clean room particle and ESD control, indirect spraying inside the AHU and underfloor ensures even, efficient, and clean humidification. Today, we supply about 40,000 types of nozzles to customers around the world. Since 2005, we have expanded into system solutions that combine nozzles and spray units. Our mist systems first appeared as a solution for urban heat. These systems are now widely used for cooling and humidification in agricultural greenhouses and livestock. Since 2010, we have supplied intake air cooling systems to many thermal power plants. Our systems are also used for dust suppression in industrial plants. Around 2020, urban mist systems began to be used not only for heat mitigation, but also for landscape design. Today, we are taking on new challenges in agriculture. We are developing aeroponics, an advanced water-saving cultivation system. Our goal is not only to save water, but also to unlock the full potential of plants. In Japan, we operate 3 factories and 8 sales offices. Overseas, we have 1 factory and 7 sales subsidiaries. Today, IKEUCHI has grown into a unified global team of 500 employees, serving customers across 90 countries and regions. Backed by 110 industrial property rights, our global sales have reached 50 million USD. Driven by our core nozzle business at 70%, alongside our expanding humidification and agro businesses. Our philosophy is taking the path less traveled. Our mission is changing the world for the better with innovative nozzles.